What's up, Garrett?
What up, Savage?
What do you use this about? Rob?
No, not you.
This year we got 3. And congratulations, Alex. You're an all-star.
Oh, yeah. Go, Willie!
He's the first pitcher in Red Sox history with 140-plus strikeouts and an ERA below 240 in the first 18 games. Beast, you're an all-star.
Good job, bro.
And the other one, all-star selections by relief pitchers. Mariano Rivera with 12, Craig Kimbrough with 9, Goose Gossage with 8, Aroldis Chapman with 8.
Hey! La bestia, la bestia!
Families are on the road. Let's get together. In Boston, let's get together.
Hell yeah, baby.